The market is going to fall because the dollar index is rising. The market is going to go for a rally because the dollar index is falling. Do you wonder why the analysts use such statements when you watch them on television? Are you puzzled when they use the words like dollar index and discuss its impact on the Indian stock market? In today's video, I am going to discuss in detail about the meaning of dollar index, how it is created, what is the impact on the Indian stock market, and how you can use it to understand the movement of the market. I am Varun Agarwal, and before we begin, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to activate the notifications. And you can now join my channel where we are discussing lot of stock specific ideas, analysis, news, views, and lots of interesting things. So let's get started. So what is USD index, or you can say dollar index? It's an index to measure that currency against 6 major currencies of the world. Now, which 6 major currencies? The countries with which the United States has maximum trade, they are selected, and those 6 currencies are measured against the USD to create this index. Now, what does this index convey? If the index in value increases, that means the USD's value is appreciating and USD is becoming more expensive. And if the index is going down, it means that the USD dollar is becoming weaker and the price of USD is going down. Now, what is the symbol of the USD index? When you see in any ticker, the symbol used is DXY. Why is the dollar index important? It is an indicator of relative strength of USD when compared to other currencies. Although there are only 6 currencies used in comparing in the dollar index, but still it can be an indicator of the strength of USD for all the other currencies in the world, also including the Indian currency. It is used as a technical analysis tool to understand the market movements or the impact of US dollar on the market movements. It's also an indicator to understand the price movement of the commodities like oil and other things which are generally imported from other countries. Now let us understand what are the 6 currencies which are included or compared in the US dollar index. The first one is Euro, second one is Swiss franc, third one is Japanese yen, fourth one is Canadian dollar, fifth one is British pound, and the sixth one is Swedish krona. Now these currencies are not given equal weightage. There are different weightages given to different currencies. So let's know what are the weightages. Euro is given the highest weightage of 57.6. Swiss franc is given 3.6. Japanese yen is 13.6%. Canadian dollar is 9.1%. British pound is 11.9%, and Swedish krona is 4.2%. So these are the different weightages given in the dollar index to the 6 currencies which are compared against the US dollar. What could be the reasons for the rise or fall on broad basis of the US dollar? The demand and supply is first obvious reason. Why does this demand and supply keep changing? Suppose US is exporting products or services to other countries. The other countries have to make US payment in United States currency, that is US dollar. So when they buy those currency more and more, the value of US dollar increases in the market. Market sentiment also affects the currency. Suppose the market sentiment is low and people feel that the US economy is not going to do well, then people try to take money out of the country, which will reduce the value, or the dollar index will go down in such circumstances. If the economy is doing very well and the economic growth is very good, then the dollar index will move up as the economy strengthens and USD becomes stronger when compared to the other currencies. Sometimes the US Fed Reserve gives stimulus to boost the US economy. In such circumstances, also the United States dollars will strengthen and the dollar index will go up. How does this affect the Indian stock market? This is the biggest question which we have to answer, and this is the purpose of creating the video. The rupee and dollar exchange rate is very important for the Indian economy or for the Indian stock market and the Indian companies. How is it important? Suppose the dollar index is going down and the USD rate is reducing, the foreign investors, the FIIs and FPIs get more benefit by investing in the Indian stock market and they get more profits. How does this happen? I'll give you an example in the coming slide. For Indian exporters, where the IT and pharma companies, they get most of the revenue from US. So in such companies, the revenue goes up because the exchange rate of USD goes higher. Whenever the dollar index rises, the exchange rate becomes higher and they get more money in the form of revenue from US. For importers, if they are importing goods from US and the dollar value increases, their costs go up and profits go down because of the increase in the dollar index. For commodities, suppose we are importing any commodities from outside like oil and the US dollar index goes up, that indicates that we have to pay more money to get import oil into India, and the other oil importing companies' margins go down. If certain companies have loans outside India and the loans are in USD, if the dollar index goes up and the currency value increases, then they have to pay more money to repay their loan installments. So this is another impact on the Indian economy and the Indian companies if the dollar index goes up. Now let us discuss an example. Suppose there is a foreign investor who is investing $1,000 in Indian stock market, and when he is investing, let us assume the exchange rate is 75 rupees. So in Indian currency he is investing around 75,000 rupees. Let us assume he has bought 10 shares of Dixon Technologies at 7,500, and later the share price doubles, it becomes 15,000. So in Indian currency the current investment value becomes 1,50,000. Let us assume that he wants to sell this and take it back. I am ignoring the charges and other things in this example. So when he is selling these shares and he wants to take back the money, on that day the USD exchange rate is 74. So when we convert 1,50,000 by 74, it comes to $2,027. So this shows if the USD rate goes down, the investment and the profits which the FIIs make from the Indian stock market goes up. So that is why when the analysts say that the US dollar index is going down, the market may go up. This is the example because the FIIs will be more interested to pump in money in the Indian stock market when the dollar index goes down. That is why the dollar index and the Indian stock market are kind of inversely proportional, or they move in the opposite direction of each other. How to check the dollar index? On different sites you can check. For an example, I have put a screenshot here. You can go to investing.com and search DXY there. You get the dollar index, and the dollar index somewhere revolves somewhere around 93, 95 rupees usually, and you get the complete chart and the other details as you get for the other stocks. So this is about the dollar index. I hope you have understood very clearly the meaning of dollar index, how it moves, how to check it, how will it impact the Indian companies and the Indian stock market. And I'm sure next time when someone talks about dollar index, you will understand very clearly, and you yourself will be able to see the chart of dollar index and the Indian market and decide how the Indian market movement will be by looking at the movement of the dollar index. I hope you like this video, and I have tried to simplify and explain it with an example. If you like it, do hit the like button, join my channel and subscribe it. Do activate the notifications, and you can join me on Telegram also. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to create more videos on different topics, you can mention the names of the topics in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.